Now, we request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to give away the mementos to the guests. I request Damodara Garu to give away the token of appreciation to Mr. K.C. Vivekananda Gaur Garu. Now I request him to hand over the token of appreciation and gratitude to Mr. Mathuni Cherian Garu. Thank you, sir. Now I request our chairman, sir, to hand over the token of gratitude and appreciation to Dr. C. Virendra Garu. I request our chairman, sir, to give away the token of appreciation and gratitude to Gandra Mohan Rao Garu. Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to give away the token of appreciation to our Principal, ma'am, Mrs. Lakshmi Dharitri. Now, I request our revered Principal, ma'am, to give away the token of appreciation to Mr. Damodar Rao Garu. Now, one of our chief guests, Mr. K.C. Mathuni Cherian Garu, is leaving for the day. Sir, we are very honored to have your gracious presence among us, and we are very honorable to have, and the information that you shared with us about the true bonding of mother and child, we really learned a lot about from it. Thank you very much, sir. Now, we will move on to the felicitation of meritorious students, honoring their results and success in our school. And now, the continuation will be taken by Ms. Purnima ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Sirisha. Talent and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. Felicitation is a celebration of the harvest of this crop. This is a much awaited event in every student's life as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by the students throughout their academic endeavor. It is a day full of joy, a day about pride and accomplishment, a day of celebration. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Surya, the global school, takes pleasure in felicitating the talented students who have exhibited exceptional achievements in various national, state, district level competitions. To begin with, the first category is academic toppers for the year 2015-2016. I now request Shri K.P. Vivekananda Gaur Garu to present the prizes to the winners. Tura Krishna from PP1, Marvi Rajhans and Sara Pasi from PP2, Tanvi Shri from grade 1, Levin Leon from grade 2, Marvi Rajhans and Sara Pasi, Tanvi Shri from grade 1, Levin Leon from grade 2, Chiti Laveshkar from grade 3, Siri Lasya from grade 4, Nipun Namburi from grade 5, Satya Samhit from grade 6. The next category is competitive exams. I request Shri Gandra Mohan Rao Garu to present the prizes to the winners. Rakshita from grade 4 secured 489 state rank in IMO exam. R.S. Harichandana from grade 5 secured 189 state rank in IMO exam. Shamishwar M from grade 6 won gold medal in IMO, IEO and bronze medal in NSO. I request him to please receive the cash prize. I also request Shameshwar's parents to please grace the dais. Dhruv Rajhans from grade 6 secured 466th rate rank in NSO. Thank you, sir. Coming to co-curricular activities, the first category is skating. I request Sri Virendra Garu to present the prizes to the winners. Talent Search Roller Skating Championship 2016 was held in Hyderabad and following are the winners. K. Hasani from grade 3C. P. Navneet from grade 3C. Akash V. Mujib from grade 4A. G. Rohit Reddy from grade 4B. G. Shivakarthik from grade 7. G. Bhargav Reddy from grade 7. G. Satya Samhit from grade 7. G. Hemant Kumar from grade 7. Marvi Rajhans from grade 1 got selected in international rhyme competition held in academic year 2015-2016. I request her to come and receive the prize. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna skating competition was held on 11 September 2016 at Kotla Vijaya Bhaskar Reddy Stadium, Yusufguda, Hyderabad, and following are the winners. Al Hafiz from grade 7. G. Hemant Kumar from grade 7. G. Hemant Kumar from grade 7. G. Satya Samhit from grade 7. Rakshita from grade 4 secured 489 state rank in IMO exam. Thank you, sir. The next category is karate. I now request Sri Gandhra Mohan Rao Garu to present the prizes to the winner. Parthav Krishna from grade 6 won gold and silver medals in Hyderabad Open Karate Championship 2016. Thank you, sir. The next category is School Games 2016. I now request our respected chairman, Sri Damodar Rao Garu, to present the prizes to the winner. Sai Charan from grade 5 won all-rounder position at Telangana School Cricket 2016, Bolaram, Hyderabad. Asmit Soh from grade 7 won first prize in Best Kho Kho Player 2016. Satya Samhit from grade 7 won the Best Cricket Player 2016 all-rounder position.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to give a big round of applause to all the prize winners, please.
Shanmukh Praman from grade 6 won the Best Cricket Player 2016 all-rounder position. Thank you, sir. The next category is Fine Arts. I request our beloved principal, Miss Lakshmi Dharitri ma'am, to present the prizes to the winners. Serish Fatima from PP2 won third prize in Picasso coloring competition. Ripogna P from grade 6 won second prize in drawing. The next category is Star Award. From pre-primary wing, D. Lakshmi Akshita from PP1 Chipmunks. I request Lakshmi Akshita parents to please grace the dais.
Dear parents in the audience, I would like to share with you, we had a very, very unique competition at pre-primary level, holistic competition. We have conducted a competition in the areas of linguistic, physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional, where this champ had stood as a star award winner at PP1 level, which was quite unique, which happened in Surya. And at this age, she achieved this. You can imagine what will be she in future, and she should be an inspiration for all other students as well. Thank you.
I now call upon Tura Krishna from PP2 Simbas. I also request his parents to please grace the dais. I now call upon Vedam Bhuvan Sai from PP2 Jumbos.
Call Shameshwar's parents once again.
Marvi Rajhans from grade 1 got selected in international rhyme competition held in academic year 2015-2016. I request her to come and receive the prize. I also request Marvi's parents to please grace the dais.
Program I don't know.
I also request Shameshwar parents to grace the dais,
Along with Shameshwar.
We really appreciate our student Shameshwar for excellency in his academics, and as a token of appreciation, we are present him a voucher of 3,000 rupees.
I congratulate all the winners for their achievement. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to announce that Surya the Global School is going to organize a grand talent test in the third week of Jan 2017, and its details will be forwarded to all the parents. I request you to participate in large numbers and make this event a grand success. Thank you.
I pleasurably thanks all the chief guests to grace the occasion and to extend their cooperation and encouragement to our students. Now, I thank all the esteemed dignitaries who shared the dais. I humbly request all of you to make yourself comfortable in the VIP lounge. I request Ms. Sita and Lakshmi to accompany the guests to the arranged VIP lodge.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, छुट्टी कोई काटना है हमको होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, ये। आसमां का स्वाद है, मुद्दत के बाद है, सहमत है कंगरे दिन है या ये रात है, हाय तू मेहरबान तू हो गया बाखुदा क्या बात है, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
Hello. With this, we are going to begin our cultural programs. Parents, please hold your breath. The show is going to be quite stunning. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Blessy, and co-host Sahan Abraham, welcoming you all to this 4th annual day gathering at Suryadi Global School. Without taking up much of your time, let us inaugurate the cultural program with a beautiful song, Sa Re Gama, by Mayuri ma'am and team.